Good morning. So we're going to do the matrices quiz review for this one. So for matrix, so this one it says compare the indicated values below. So if it's S22, so everybody that means it's going to be the row and column. Okay. So second row. So remember these are rows. Column. So 1, 2, 3. So it's going to be the second, so it would be this one, so 73. And S1, 3. Okay, so it's going to be greater than. So 73 is greater than 67. So 63 is greater than, 73 is greater than 67. Oh yeah, and this one, so we're going to add these together. So remember that just means that we're going to, so -1, I think of it as we do add the ones in the same position, plus 4, 2, plus -1, 0 plus 2, 1 plus -3. So we're going to get 3, 1, 2, -2. Everybody be careful of the signs on this, and that would be our final answer for this. Okay, next one. Okay, so they want to find the values for below. Okay, so we already did all of them, everybody. So all we do is just put in what we got. So it would be 3, 1, 2, and -2. So then we just put those in. Okay, so find A minus B. Okay, so we're going to subtract them. So -1 minus 1, 2 minus 3, 0 minus -1. Careful of the signs, everybody. 1 minus 2. If you want to do keep change to keep track of those signs, you're more than welcome to. Just to go through and do keep change on all of them. Or you can just put them in the calculator. So like -1, remember do negative sign, -1. So that's going to give us 0, -1, 1, -1. And those would be all our values. So we'd have 0, -1, 1, and -1. So make sure, everybody, that you're writing these out. You got this. Okay, on the next one, it says multiply the matrix. So we're going to multiply it by -2, everybody. So that's what we're multiplying it by. So that means we're going to multiply all of them by -2. So -1 times -2, 2 times -2, 0 times -2, 1 times -2. So we multiply them all together. Remember, negative times a negative equals a positive, so it's going to give us a +2. Positive times a negative is going to give us a negative. Let me move this down. So positive times a negative is going to give us a negative. Anything times 0 is 0. Positive times a negative is going to give us a -2. And we got it. So, okay, for this one, it says find the values for the, it says the matrices below are equal. Find the values. I got this. So I have to show both. Okay, so we're going to have to show this one. Okay, they're equal. So it means we can set them equal to each other. So like for A plus 7 is equal to -1. We're going to undo it, so I'm going to subtract 7 from each side. -1 plus -7 is going to give us -8. Do the same thing for D is equal to 24. -4 D is equal to 24. Divide each side. Dividing and multiplying have the same rules, everybody. So negative, positive divided by a negative is going to give us a negative. So D is going to be negative 6. Okay, same thing for E. Careful with the signs, everybody. So that's a negative E plus 1 is equal to negative 8. Subtract 1 from each side. We get negative E is equal to 7. Multiply each side by a negative 1 to solve for E. We get E is equal to negative 7. You use a different color. Okay, now we have for B, 2B plus 7 is equal to negative 3. Subtract 7 from both sides. 2B is equal to negative 10. Divide by 2. And B is equal to negative 5. For C, we're going to have 2C minus 1 is equal to 19. Add 1. We get 20. Half of 20 is going to give us 10. For F, so now we have F. We set that, so negative 3F plus 5 is equal to 47. Everybody notice, definitely write these out. You can do all of these. Divide by negative 3. So that's going to give us 14. We get negative 14. Careful with your numbers, everybody. Careful with the signs. Notice with this, be really careful with the signs. Okay, we got our next matrices, 2 stores, PCQ and Tech Shop buys and sell repair free phones. Profit can be found using the formula profit, revenue minus the cost minus the expenses. Question for this. How much profit does Tech Shop make on a phone? Okay. So on a phone, so Tech Shop. Okay, so I'm looking at all those. So remember, profit is going to equal revenue minus cost and expense to buy them. So it's going to be 200 minus 125 minus 110. That's going to give us $65, everybody. Okay. No dollar sign, everybody. Just put the numbers in. Okay, match the students with their final grades. Okay, so score the matrix below, everybody. So where the matrix is assignments, quiz, and final. Okay, so we're going to take and multiply all of these by that. So for Brock, it's going to be 0.8 times 45 plus 0.6 times 69 plus 0.2 times 67. Everybody, we do the same thing for all of them. We're just multiplying all of these and adding them together, just like we did for Oscar and Reagan. And for Evelyn. Make sure everybody are looking at the right row. It's like, oh. So double check you're putting in the answers correctly, everybody. And then we just plug all those in the calculator. Okay, so I'm just plugging them in like this, everybody. Press enter. So Brock got 58.24%. Actually, everybody, we can just go here and press enter. And just change the numbers. So 85, 73, 66. So we get 73.62. So Evelyn got 74 on assignments, 68 on the quizzes, 62 on the final, so 67.76. Okay, we got all of them, everybody. Okay, on this one, we're finding the coefficient matrix for the systems, everybody. So you can do it's up to you if you want to do this. I'm going to do it on the calculator like we were doing with the matrix, everybody. So I'm going to put these in. So remember, I go second matrix, edit, enter. Helps if I go to edit to one that I haven't done. Okay, let's go to E. It's going to be 2 by 2. Make sure I just have to click enter after I enter everything. Make sure you do the negative sign. So everybody make sure you do the negative sign for negative, so keep track of those signs. I'm going to do second quit, and then second matrix. I entered that one. Scroll over to edit. I keep forgetting to scroll over to edit. I'll get it eventually. And this is going to be a 2 by 1. It's a negative 8.5. Enter. 11.81. Enter. Second quit. Second matrix. I press enter. I'm going to raise that to the negative 1. So if this is matrix E, and this is F, it's going to be E raised to the negative 1 times F. Okay, everybody, that's going to give us our values. So then we put those in. And then do second matrix, go down. I'm doing F because I just have that. Oops. Make sure to scroll down, everybody. So when you do this, make sure to scroll down. Show you everything not to do. And I press enter. It gives us our answers, everybody. So these are our values. So this would be for X, this is for Y. So solutions. So we got those. Okay, last one, everybody, we got this. Dance musical sound tickets for the spring musical. On Friday, they sold 13 adult tickets, 18 student tickets, then 73. On Saturday, sold 25 adult tickets, 9 student tickets. Okay, fill in the coefficient matrix, everybody. So we're going to do the same thing with the matrix. So 13, 18, 25, 9. Same thing as we did with the last one, everybody. We're just going to put those in. And we put those in, everybody. So we go second matrix, scroll over to edit, scroll down. I put those numbers in. Hold on. Make sure to quit. Okay, and I got 9, 19, and 17. So the adult tickets cost 19, student tickets cost 17. So that would be our answers, everybody. You got this.